ABC Educational Channel. Hello kids, it's English time. Today we're going to explore something super fun. The rooms in the house. Are you ready? Let's go on a house adventure. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to name different rooms in a house. Describe what each room is used for. Describe what each room is used for. Use sentences to talk about rooms and their functions. Living room. The living room is where family and guests gather. It usually has a sofa, TV, coffee table, and decorations. People use eat, relax, watch TV or talk with family and friends. Wow, that sounds fun! Dining room. The dining room is where people eat their meals. It has a dining table, chairs, and sometimes a cupboard. Family gathered to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner together. Wow, I love eating with my family. Kitchen. The kitchen area where people cook and prepare meals. It has a stove, refrigerator, sink, and cooking utensils. People store food and wash dishes in the kitchen. We cook yummy here, I smell pancakes. What's your favorite food? Bedroom. The bedroom is where people sleep and rest. It usually contains a bed, wardrobe, nightstand, and lamp. People also use it for studying, dressing up, and relaxing. Look, a soft bed, a pillow, and lots of toys. Do you have a favorite toy in your bedroom? Wow, that sounds fun! Bathroom. The bathroom is where people take a bath, brush their teeth, and use a toilet. It has a shower, bathtub, sink, mirror, and toilet. It is important to keep the bathroom clean. Remember, always wash your hands after playing. Laundry room. This is a laundry room. Clothes go in dirty and come out clean and fresh. Swish, swish. Goes the washing machine. Remember, always wash your hands after playing. Garage. The garage is a room or space in a house when people park their cars, motorcycles, or bicycle. It is usually located beside or behind the house. Quiz time. Answer the quiz below. Question number 1. Where do you cook food? I cook food in the kitchen. Kitchen. Question number 2. Which drug is used for sleeping? We sleep in the bedroom. Bedroom. Question number 3. Where do you take a shower? We take shower in the bathroom. Bathroom. Question number 4. Which room is for eating meals? We eat meals in the dining room. Dining room. Question number 5. Where do people park their cars? People park their cars in the garage. Garage. Question number 6. Where do you receive guests? We receive guests in the living room. Living room. Thank you. Use word like kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, dining room, living room, laundry room, and garage in daily conversations. Keep practicing and describe your house in English. Thanks for watching.